For the next experiment, I'm now going to place the iron core into the primary and secondary windings. I'm going to move the current controller to 1.5 amps and switch on the power. So we can see our current flow of 1.5 amps. We can see the resulting voltage as I switch the power off and switch the power on. Switch it off, switch it on. Switch it off, switch it on. And I think that's producing around about 15 millivolts. 15 millivolts positive and 15 millivolts negative as I switch on and off. Now increasing the current flow to 2 amps. So my current flow is now 2 amps. Observing the output on the voltmeter. Switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. I believe we're generating around about 25 millivolts. I'm now going to increase the current flow to 2.5 milliamps. Now I can operate the switch to switch off and switch on, switch off and switch on, switch off, switch on. I'm now producing around about 30 millivolts in my output. I'm now going to increase the current flow to 3 amps in my primary windings. So with 3 amps flowing in my primary windings, in my secondary windings I'm going to see switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on. I'm doing about 35 millivolts, and that really is the limit of the capability of the meter. So I'm not going to further increase the current flow. I've switched off the experiment, and now I will replace the iron core and put my packing piece in to reduce the magnetic effect of the circuit.